Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Andronicus and welcome to Language of Algebra. Understanding the terminology in and around algebra is a really important skill, particularly at the beginning of your journey of learning algebra. So in this little short video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the major and the main terminology of algebra. First of all, variable. Any letter or symbol representing a numerical value. So that could mean an A, an X, a Y, and also, particularly in the younger years, it started out looking like a question mark or a star or a box or something like that. It's really anything that represents an unknown number. Sometimes variables are also known as pronumerals. So it may look different depending on the textbook, the country, that kind of thing. Coefficient, a number directly in front of a variable. So in these examples below, you can see we've got 9a. So here, the 9 would be the coefficient. Here, the 6 would be the coefficient. And here, the negative 22 would be the coefficient. Now, just writing 9, for example, as the coefficient, you've got to be a little bit careful of that because it doesn't look like a coefficient because it has to be in front of a variable. So if you were asked to demonstrate a coefficient, you'd write it as, say, 9a, and then circle the 9 type to show that that part is the part that is the coefficient. Reason for that also is because it will end up looking like a constant, a value that remains unchanged, so a constant value. So here are some examples. You've got 6, you've got negative 42. In this example, you do have a coefficient, a variable, and the negative 8 would actually be your constant. A term. So that can be a number, variable, or both that are separated by addition, subtraction, or equal signs. So examples here, we've got 2x plus 5. 2x would be a term, and the positive 5 would be a term. So that would actually be two terms there. Here, despite the fact that we have an addition sign, they're actually linked together because of that fact that they're in brackets. So it's 3 multiplied by everything in the brackets, and the brackets are what holds everything together. So that's actually classified as just one term. Likewise, here we've got 2y divided by 4. It wouldn't matter if it was 2y plus 3 divided by 4. All of that's divided by 4. All of that's combined and connected with that division. So again, that is just one term. Here we have expression. So an expression is a collection of terms without an equal sign. So really critical that it mustn't have an equal sign. So as you can see, a number of examples below, none of which have an equal sign inside. So that's really important. And last but not least, an equation is a collection of terms that must have an equal sign. So as you can see here, you've got two sides of the equal sign, two sides of the equal sign. Particularly in this example down below, you've got, say an expression on this side, an expression on this side, but all together collectively, it is known as an equation. So there you guys have it. All right, ciao for now.